Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video. Just grab all of your sheets together and let's get started. So here you have to paste this and make this beautiful and lovely flower vase. This is gonna look amazing. Now here you have to get the sticks, attach them in this manner. Further you have to get the flowers made and get a ribbon pasted. Here you have to get the egg tray. You have to paint them in this manner with the help of these watercolors and get a stamp in between. Now you have to decorate this flower vase together. This is amazing. Here let's see what scenery are we gonna create. Get these branches and further you have to just put these things in this manner, these straws, and decorate it further like this. Now here also get the branches and paste these tiny little flowers in this manner in the ground. Further you have to just make the patterns like this and paste it all over the other. Here you have to get this transparent sheet attached. Just color them up in this manner and further you have to get the sticks and stems attached. On it you need to paste the flowers and leaves all around. This is gonna look pretty cool. Now here you have to get the leaves, the flowers attached in this manner. You have to arrange it in a pattern like this. You have to make these lovely looking flowers and decorate your flower vase further, and this is gonna look beautiful. Now here get the sheet. You need to paste it in this manner. Get them attached in this way to make it look even more amazing. This is gonna look super cool, right? Now here you have to get the flowers over a stick. You need to just attach them together in this way. Get a flower vase. You need to put a heart in between and this is gonna look pretty. Let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also you have to get the stem. Get the flowers attached one over it. You need to paste it along with the leaves and all. Just decorate the scenery further. And then over a black circular sheet, you need to get the flowers in this manner. Just curl them up and then paste it in this manner. Mold it a bit and further you need to paste it in this way. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now get these flowers, you have to just keep them one over the other and your scenery is gonna look super amazing. Now here also you have to just get the sheets beautifully. You need to fold them up and mold them into this shape and then you have to paste it on the top of it and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here also get a sheet. You need to fold it in this manner and get a shape in this way and your flower is gonna look absolutely pretty. Cut them out, curve it a bit and this is gonna look beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.